Do you know the superpowers of spinach? Today, we're going to unveil the health benefits of nature's green powerhouse. Spinach, a leafy green beloved by some and less so by others, is a veritable nutritional powerhouse. It's like nature decided to pack a small, leafy package full of health-boosting goodness. Imagine a plant so rich in vitamins and minerals that it could easily pass for a multivitamin. That's spinach for you. Brimming with vitamins A, C, and K and folate, this plant doesn't stop there. It also offers a wealth of minerals, including iron and calcium. Think of it this way: each leaf is a tiny green factory, tirelessly producing essential nutrients. And the best part? All these nutrients are readily available for our bodies to use as soon as we consume them. Spinach is not just another leafy green, but a nature's gift packed with an abundance of nutrients. Now, let's delve into the multitude of health benefits that spinach provides. This leafy green is a nutritional powerhouse brimming with vitamins A, C, K, and folate, not to mention iron and calcium. Its antioxidants, potassium, and magnesium are real heart helpers, regulating blood pressure and reducing heart disease risk. But it doesn't stop there. Spinach is a bone health booster too, thanks to its abundant vitamin K, which can help reduce fracture risk. Your eyes will thank you as well, as spinach is rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that guard against age-related macular degeneration and support vision health. Feeling a bit sluggish? Spinach is here to help with that as well. It's a fantastic source of iron, which helps transport oxygen throughout the body, warding off fatigue. And let's not forget about digestive health. So why not make spinach a regular part of your diet? With its treasure trove of nutrients, it's a flexible addition to any meal. Toss it in your salads, blend it in your smoothies, stir it into your soups, or include it in your cooked dishes. There's no shortage of ways to enjoy this green powerhouse. Embrace the healthful punch of spinach and let it supercharge your well-being. Spinach, the green powerhouse, is here to supercharge your health. Don't miss out on its incredible benefits.